What's up, the internet? Today we're going to make a rocker tank top out of a regular band shirt. Okay, first you're gonna need to take your shirt off. Lay it out on the table and fold it right in the middle, like this. I like to use the seam at the sleeve to make sure I'm in the right spot. And make sure the seam at the bottom of the sleeve is lined up too. This is how we're gonna figure out where to make our cut. It's important to make sure you don't have a lot of extra folds in the shirt. Otherwise you get an uneven cut. Now you're gonna need scissors. I like to cut in about 1 inch from the sleeve and about 1 inch from the neck seam. Next you're gonna find your seam on the bottom of the shirt. That way everything lines up. And go down a few inches and make a cut there. These are going to be our guide cuts. We're basically going to cut from one of them all the way up to the other one. I like to have the front of the shirt showing. That way if you make a mistake, at least it won't cut into the graphic. I like to make my cut a little bit rounded. If you want to learn how to make a real tank top, I'm sure there's some good tutorials for that. But rock and roll, don't do measuring sticks. There's arm 1 gone. Then hopefully the starting cut for arm 2 is in more or less the same place. So you get a pretty even tank top. Whoops, made a little mistake there. We'll just go around it. No big deal. Happy accidents. That's all rock and roll is. Alright. Throw those sleeves away. Use them to patch up your jeans. Looks pretty even to me. Now, all we have to do is cut out the neck. So I used to cut out the whole thing, and I realized that I like it more if the front is cut out more than the back. So I just cut a circle around the existing neck thing, whatever that stuff's called. I don't make clothes, I make rock and roll. Just try to keep it pretty even all the way around. Otherwise you'll fuck it up. It's okay if it's a little rough around the edges, because that's rock and roll. It's not perfect. Okay. Now if I didn't mess it up, got a rock and roll tank top right here, ready to go. The next part, you just put it on. And now you've got a rock and roll tank top. Party on!